Guys, welcome back to the channel once again. This is Brian Reaction. Now, I did a video about Jamaican men. So, to balance the gender, now I'm doing about Jamaican women. So I did about Jamaican men, and there were two sides. Some are saying they're not good, some are saying they're liars, they're lazy. And I did another video, and in this video it seems those women who made those type of Jamaican men were happy with them. They were saying that they're good people, father oriented. They were good men you can stay with, start a family with. They can even take care of the kids that are not their own. So Jamaican men got credits in the second video. So today I want us to deal with Jamaican women. So what is it about Jamaican women that you guys didn't know? So let's dive into this video, and I'll be back with a few comments.
A Jamaican woman can be what in other countries they would consider as being fat or overweight. And she don't feel any level of insecurity towards it. She is the most confident woman out there. She's the woman that pulls you in with that level of confidence.
Yeah.
Now one day you would think that she has any insecurity with it. Whereas here, if a woman has just a little bit overweight,
Yeah.
different level of confidence.
Yeah,
I see that a lot here, yeah.
Yeah, but obviously the Western culture nowadays is changing, and I think that is seeping into our culture where I think Jamaican women were once the forerunners in body positivity and self-love in that regard. But now
Yes.
it has gone to the side where time to get that BBL if you don't born with the natural thing.
I didn't know about
Yeah.
it.
You know
Wow.
what? I always say Jamaican women are trendsetters to the largest extent. I want to say for all women. All women.
The best women in the world are Jamaican women. Fight me. And if you ask me, yo, why them are the best? Because, not ask me the question, just take come and say. Because if you ever there in a Jamaican woman for any length of time, if you ever been to a Jamaican party, if you ever there with a Jamaican woman, whether the experience was good or bad, them are still some of the best women on earth. On earth. No argument. Look more.
I'm gonna tell you something. Dating a Jamaican woman is not for the weak. A Jamaican woman, it tells you she feel like you do something. She has no concrete evidence that you did anything wrong. She just feels say you do it, and she knows say you do it. When you have all the proof in the world, you can't convince her otherwise. Dating Jamaican
Guys, Jamaican girls, whew. Yeah, this one you have to breathe before I even talk. They're the one that should be saying that you wanna chill with the big boys. Hey, guys, when you're talking to Jamaican, let me give you all my experiences. Cool. This was year 8. I was chatting to a Jamaican girl. You know, on the night, playing truth or dare, guys. You know what it is, isn't it? You know what it is already. Mercy. But anyways, now cool. We spoke, we done truth or dare, whatever. The next day I'm going to school. I'm gassing into a man. I'm like, bro, this is the girl I'm chatting to. Like, yeah, she was lying. I was on it. I mean, hey, I wasn't really getting girls. So when you had a sweet one, you just had to gas it. And then all of a sudden, why is one of my guys saying, oh, that's the one with the cousin and this gang? I said, which gang? I go to Master C Chop International. I sometimes do ushering. No way I'm getting involved in that, guys. Are you stupid? Hey, guys, I told him, say swear. He's like, yeah, bro. I don't understand. When you're talking to some Jamaican girl, is either their dad was in Peckham State 1962 or their cousin, so Shanks in the corner shop. One of them, I don't know why. But anyways, now I told the girl, like, the girl texted me the next day. I said, I just had to dead the convo still, cause I'm not getting involved in that, cause I knew if I cheated, I'm finished. So there's no point. Another time, this was like year 10. So cool now, man's chatting to her. I think she was from Peckham. All of a sudden, I'm seeing something on my phone, guys. I'm seeing smoke on my phone. I'm thinking, wait, hello, we're in year 10, we're 15. What are you stressed about? Hello. She's saying, yeah, I can't, this is just what I do. I said, cool. So, no, I let it go. Actually, no. One of the ones that caught me off guard was year 10. the end of year 10, the one that was smoking was beginning of year 10. That one day I had to look on the first day. That was it. Guys, I'm talking to her on FaceTime, I'm chatting to her, I'm vibing, you know, my phone's on my side. I'm speaking bed, in a background, shouting on the phone, guys. All of a sudden, she said, come on the phone. Come on camera, my cousin wants to see you. So I'm thinking, oh, girl cousin, let me show off. Guys, I come there, look. Why am I seeing guy with dreads? And I clocked, yep, now he knows me. I can't make no wrong movements. The girl was 1 year older than me as well, guys. But the guy looked at me, I looked at him, I said, I had to do this. It got to a point where I had to do this. May I drop a bomb? Nah, see, Charlie, Jamaican girls. That one day I had to, like, I can't mess with them. Otherwise, when you mess with them, you're finished. Jamaican and a messiah. Me step on a battlefield, ganja better, no food, no water. Hey, Jamaican girls, hey, don't be easy cry.
So here are 5 tips that you want to get familiar with if you're planning on dating a Jamaican woman. I'm going to start out with number 1. Jamaican women are very feisty. Call it salty, call it spicy, whatever you will. If you get caught up in your feelings easily or you can't hold your own in an argument, find somebody else to date. Number 2, do not talk to Jamaican women about dieting. I'm just warning you. If you value your life, don't do it. Number 3, respect her family. Even if she complains about them morning, noon, and night, do not offer any comments because it will come back to bite you. Okay? Number 4, if you can't afford a date, do not invite her out because if you talk to her about splitting a check, the check is not what's going to be split, if you get what I mean. And number 5, if you cannot dance, brush up on your skills before you take her to a party.
You want to know how I can tell that another woman is Jamaican? 1, just the facial features. But the first thing that I look for, aside from the facial features, is a tattoo right here. Right here. Specifically right above, like, their chest. That's a dead giveaway.
I want to not leave Jamaican woman them. I want to not leave them alone. Jamaican woman them are the most faithful woman them pan Godland. Jamaican woman them never give no bun. Never cheat. Not like that. No cheat, no bun. Never give a never one day get man. Never. I can swear say them. I pepper. I know Jamaican woman I pepper. Never ever I go leave it rest like one next time.
Dating a Jamaican woman be
baby,
like.
I'll call you.
Call who?
Huh?
Call who?
You.
Call who?
You.
Call me when? If you let me a joke? No, look at me. No, 7 me want everybody to say me serious. You never see Lionette, you never see Universe yet.
Yeah, baby boy. Listen,
so with the bomber blood clot, you're on live with Dirty Crystal 4.
Talking
you never see Lionette. You never see Universe yet. You see why I'm not like, you know? I'm not grow with man.
What do you mean, Uno? How much
so all the man Crystal. you want all always scratch them.
Babe, listen, can you
look like you're confused.
Babe, stop.
Look like you don't know what you really want to do. You see me? You see me now? I'm not the back and forth with no boy.
Babe, you know so when you're a wife, you don't act like...
tell us I'm a hot girl. You see from Akeem, me don't disrespect you. You're on a blood clot roll. Little shirt actor. You never say blood clot Lionette. You never say Universe yet.
Yo, mama, cheap out, bro. Bro, you know so when summer...
University there's a skin of blood clot 32 with big head blood clot Crystal. And your big belly blood clot friend over there with him shirt open like him a 90s rock. Come and talk about love man if you don't blood clot.
Oh, God.
What man you think now, Bumba wall? Cause member at times 3.
Bumbo clot.
Member at times 3 and member say me not kill up myself. Cause you're jealous, you do the things them 100 years and I pay disrespect your blood clot come with. And Swiss remember I can't fly for licking in your face. So I better me know you.
They come, listen.
Why you have to get them she come a blood clot Florida for party?
Who asked her that?
You're a promoter? Let me not just say, sir, watch, I'm blind.
What you talking about?
Somebody put your head up too tight. Like you're not think straight. Like it just squeeze the head.
So can I talk now?
Talk about what?
Yo, wait till me get in that car, bro. Wait till me get in
But
that
me not wait till I get nowhere. Me get yes, sir. Do your thing. Just go on with Crystal. Go on with Crystal.
Be but a prank.
You're too easy, man. You're too easy, man. You know, rest your teeth. You know, rest your tears. You ball for everybody. You bite your lip for everybody. One, man. You're too easy. You're not a boy.
You know wine for everybody.
One for your blood clot. I be a big shirt. Me have to wear a big shirt. As a butch. I can't wear my clothes in peace. I can't walk in peace. I come and laugh with girl. Like I feel like me an idiot. Babe me.
So babe,
so say no, you're not ready for big manness. You know want little boy ship I see.
Yo, one tear.
Link my back. I'm not laugh with you because I'm serious.
Why?
Go blood clot back. Go make all man blood clot Crystal go feed her cream of pumpkin soup. Go me. Bye.
Bye.
Stink like.
You're more like. Why?
Turn on my speed.
Yo, go on, man. Go on, man. Why?
Come like Crystal really need for water you sprout.
Get out! I order you!
No. No, George.
Charlotte!
You cannot force me away. I will not go.
I command it, go!
I will stay! I command it!
Please, Charlotte, please go.
No.
Charlotte, you are not listening to me.
Say now, give money for my ear.
I didn't get money last week.
Well, want a different hairstyle now.
The other hairstyle, I forgot to stay and I forget tired together.
Well, you know something? If you don't give me money, I go lock shop.
Where go lock a load of shop? Shop there everywhere 24 hours.
I just did a survey in Jamaica. These are the list of things a Jamaican woman requires in order to be in a relationship with her or to have a successful relationship. I'll call the list as follows. Number 1, must eat pum pum for breakfast, lunch and dinner, all 3 meals of the day. Must give women a lot of money, especially when they are sad because it will cheer them up. Lots of attention. Must be able to wash, cook and clean. When you're on a boys' night out, keep her posted as to whatever you're doing. Send your girl on frequent girls' trip and don't call her unless she calls you. Must be able to change the diapers off the baby at all times. No password on the phone, and if you have a password, she should know the password. She should know the password to all your social media platforms. Number 9, remember your girl comes first and not your mother. Number 10, 1 week of birthday celebrations for her, not just only one day. And also, my brethren, if you can't do all of that, dog, nyam, your supper.
This is my first official day in Jamaica, and I ain't gonna lie, I gotta get property out here. I will get property out here. It's just a feeling, like, it's a different set of feeling when you, like, you in your place, like, this is my people, you know what I mean? Like, everybody's, like, the women is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yo, let's start right there.
Jamaican girls, the most beautiful girls I've ever seen. The nose, the eyes, the lips, the teeth, whatever it is, man. All their facial features, I love them. I wish I could have a Jamaican girl. Wow, I love it. But there's one problem. There's one problem. If they have a brother, if they have a dad, if they have an uncle, could get long for you, broski. Bro, Jamaican girls, wow, I love it. They come in different types, different shades, different bodies, different eyebrows, different lips, whatever it is. I love it. I wish I could have a Jamaican girl, but bro, if they have a brother, if they have a dad, if they have an uncle, if they have a cousin brother, it could get long, bro. Because one of them could have been in jail. One of them could have been a shooter. Because them man are really Rasta, man, bro. Them man are gangsters. You don't want that Bob McClat gun into your face, this, that, bro. Because, bro, if you really ruin a Jamaican girl's life, one of the brothers could come, bro, and it could get long for you. Bro, one of their uncles could have been the biggest trapper back in the day. And if you touch their little niece, it's long for you. It's long. If you want to talk to a Jamaican girl, go at your own risk, broski.
If I wanted to speak to a Jamaican girl, like, what would I say to her? Like, what should I say? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, find her vibe, man. Find her vibe. Because every Jamaican girl ain't the same.
What? There's no lingo. There's no lingo.
There's no lingo you can use in a Jamaican girl. Listen, it's all the same to us. It's all the same.
It's just a wagwan thing.
Yeah, it starts with a wagwan and the same thing. It's the same script.
Okay.
So find something different, you know?
Okay.
It will turn out good, trust me. Just find something different and you'll go somewhere with it, you know?
I hear that.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched that full clip about Jamaica women. So, to my Jamaican women, do you guys agree with that? Now, to my Jamaican men, are your women like that? Because these are different views from different, people across the world, and also Jamaicans themselves. So, some Jamaicans believe Jamaican women are the best. So they believe their women are number one. Now, some people from, outside, people who are coming to visit Jamaica, the tourists, visitors, investors. So also some of them have come out. Those who have met Jamaican women have come out and explained and told us that, Jamaican women are the best. So they have given some characteristics of Jamaican women. One, you have heard the story of that guy that Jamaican women are very energetic and confident. These are the most confident women we have on earth, according to him. They also say that they are loyal and family oriented. They are very, very loyal. So Jamaican women, you guys are saying that Jamaican women are very, very loyal. So those are some of your views. Just like I did Jamaican men, we had two sides. So some disagreed. They say that Jamaican men are not good and all that. And there was the other side that, had credits to the Jamaican men, saying that they were the most good people you can, father your children with, husband materials, and all that. So when it comes to this situation, we always have two sides compared to what somebody has met in his lifestyle. So I know some of you have met good Jamaican women, and that's why you have given all the credits to them, because clearly they were the best. The experience you had with her was the best. I know when tourists go to Jamaica and go, to vibe with Jamaican women are full of vibe. Jamaican with music, culture and all that. They just love that. So when you go there, if you are a party guy and you go meet, Jamaican party girls, I'm sure you're gonna like it. Like that guy who has said that, oh my, if you go to a party and try a Jamaican woman, they are the best. So everyone has his or her own experience. But I just have one question for you guys. Now, do you believe in this thing where they say that you'll find some people saying that Jamaican women are like this and that. Some will say that if you want to marry, go to Jamaica. Jamaican women are the best. Jamaican women will love you, will take care of you, will, treat your children nice, and all that. But some people will say no. Jamaican women are not good. Now, some people will say that women from maybe Kenya, women from maybe Barbados, Canada, China. So people have different views about the women according to what they met on the coast. So do you guys believe that, you can have good women from maybe this country and have bad women from a different country? So to my Jamaican men, I want you to answer me this question, or it's a neutral question. Like, do you believe that we can be having, let me put in, and the vice versa, do you believe that we can be having good men from maybe Canada and having maybe bad men from maybe Nigeria, or just maybe a different country like Uganda, or maybe have good men from Uganda and have bad men from Nigeria, and the vice versa? Do you guys believe in that? Because I wonder, people, you meet, when somebody meets, when people meet, for instance, when I meet a good Jamaican, obviously I will give Jamaicans credit because I met one of them and he or she was good. So people say what they meet. People will talk about the experience they meet. Just like when people go to Jamaica and leave Jamaica, they will come out and tell you that if you are looking for a place to go and visit, if you're looking for, people who are loving, caring, people will take care of you, Jamaica is the place. Why? It's because they visited Jamaica And that is the experience they got from Jamaica. So somebody will meet a bad Jamaican woman or a bad Jamaican man, and that person will conclude that Jamaican women maybe are bad, or Jamaican men are bad, just because he had an experience with one person or maybe two. There's somebody who asked me that I always look at Jamaican dancehall music, their videos and all that. Then that person was like, the women must be really, really, nasty and crazier. And I told that person that, those are just the vixens who are trained to do that. But trust me, when you find them in real life, because they're doing just because that is a job, but when you find them in real life, you might be surprised that they are not what you see on the videos. So people have different experiences according to what they meet on their course. So to my question, and I want to see some of your reviews about this. Do you believe that we have good people from this country, bad people from this country, wife materials, I don't know, husband materials from this country and not this one? Do you guys believe in such? So you can answer me in the comment section. Let's interact. So thank you for watching this video. Until my next video, peace out.